Hello humans, Allison and Tony from BlueLion here, your favorite HR team. Today we are coming to you to talk about more Massachusetts regulations.
Yeah.
Today we are talking about the Massachusetts Personnel Record Law.
I've never heard of it.
It's a good one.
It is a good one. It's one that a lot of people probably don't know. It is Massachusetts state specific. So what does this law mean? It's very clear. If you, as the employer, are going to put a document into an employee's personnel file that could negatively affect them when it comes to hiring, promotion, transfer, compensation, performance appraisals,
advancement,
you have to notify them that you're putting it in there and they have to be able to look at it.
I have to tell them that I don't like them?
You sure darn do.
And how long do I have to tell them?
Ooh, you got 10 days from the time you want to put it in there to notify them. And there's more.
They get to tell you how they feel about it.
They get to tell you how they feel about it. So they get to note onto the document or onto a separate document about that document their rebuttals. So it's a very interesting law. It is Massachusetts specific. But again, it basically says if you're going to document something about performance that could negatively affect them based on X, Y, and Z in any of those things, you have to let them know. This goes for more than just paper.
Also, keep in mind a lot of employee records are now kept via email. So if you're corresponding as an HR manager or as someone in the HR role with a manager about an employee and about their performance, anything performance related, you would need to include them in on that conversation so they have the opportunity to rebut. Now, a lot of people are probably thinking, oh my gosh, this is so much more paperwork. I don't want to deal with this. I don't want to know all their feelings.
Ugh.
Sometimes, though, it does lead to good things. So sometimes it forces us to have those conversations we avoid. How many times has someone done something wrong and you wanted to document it, but you just didn't want to talk about it?
Right.
You didn't want to talk about it.
Right.
And then really you're just letting it build up and build up and build up. So that's what this is really trying to prevent. It's preventing you from having a stockpile of reasons not to give someone an advancement, not to, give them that next promotion or compensation increase. And yet they never had any chance to know they were doing something wrong.
Right.
So it's really meant to help us be better at giving corrective actions and helping grow our staff through the process.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Utilizing it the right way is how you're going to have the best success. And also remembering when we are about to hit that send button from a manager to a manager, read it again. Remember, it could be considered discoverable in an employee file, and make sure that you're being professional, honest still, giving facts, giving data points, but careful with the language we utilize and careful with maybe some of the extra emotion that doesn't really add value to what we're trying to discuss. So paying attention to what you're documenting. If you're not sure how to document, feel free to reach out to us at BlueLion. We can help you with all of these kinds of questions, exactly what to write, how to put them in the file, and how to deal with what they might come back with. We're always available for you to reach out to us and to help with that process.
Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so your friends can be as smart as you are.